West of the Las Vegas Strip, you'll find Area 15. And within Area 15, along with some shops and restaurants and activities, you'll find Omega Mart. In August of 2023, we went there. While I sort of knew what to expect, I didn't expect what I got. And it got strange. Omega Mart is an interactive art installation created by the folks at Meow. That's an artist collective. And man, you gotta pay attention when you're there because everything is interesting. After paying and going through a bag check, you enter into what appears to be a typical supermarket. It's one of those supermarkets that has a pharmacy and a meat department, fresh produce, one of the big ones. But immediately you notice that these are products that you have never seen anywhere before. While a few of them are not for sale, a great many actually are. The cereal selections are intriguing, but perhaps not enticing. And the longer you study the meat counter, the more troubling you may find it. Although, as you might expect, some of the meat is an actual work of art. If you don't see something you want, give a quick look at the Meats of the World charts on the wall. The personal hygiene products may solve needs you never knew you had. And a few items for sale make for great souvenirs. Be sure to read the product names and descriptions. There's a lot to take in here. You'll even find a little homage to the creators of all this stuff. There's so much to see, let's have a nice walk around and take a look at all the things. But after you've seen the canned goods and the produce and the candies, you can't help but feel that something is not quite right. There's something more here. For example, what's the deal with the employees? And what's the deal with the store being taken over? You just can't help but feel that there's a lot more to be seen. You might not have noticed the passage through the freezer door the first time you walked past it. And you may not have noticed any psychoactive chemicals, but you're about to. There is so much more beyond that freezer door. Let's take a look around for a little while. You're in some kind of laboratory or some kind of factory. Or maybe you're just in your own head. Find yourself on multiple levels. And it gets pretty trippy. Then you return to semi-reality.